puppy. So you're getting up to my face then.
Why?
I don't know.
Who wants to see your face?
That's what I'm thinking. Don't be horrible. I can think of lots of people who'd love to see my face.
Not as many as me.
Hey. We'll just put our faces on like YouTube.
Yeah, or vote.
I think I need a bigger knife.
Maybe even a sharper knife.
Maybe. There's a lot of fur and stuff there.
It's a fluffy bunny. Man, that is a fluffy bunny. How about we get the dogs to defur it?
No.
Nah.
I want to watch Dr. Phil. Up his goodies. Maybe just turn it off and we'll get through this part and then start when we pull it down.
Yep.